ready to go.
Smallest one too.
That's the one that my dad was saying was strong. Aw. Yeah, because the other ones are flexing. That one isn't.
Yeah, I know. I think the thicker they are.
Yeah, it's solid. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, I thought it was done.
They'll just come back in the pond. Like swim back.
Yeah. That would stink. It goes in their yard. We're gonna have to get over there and cut it down anyway. If it doesn't detach. Probably gonna die if it doesn't fall.
Yeah. I'm sure it's not gonna fall.
It needs a strong gust. Oh, starting to lean.
Yeah.
It's gonna go.